Welcome to Fall 2020. My name is Nguyen and I'm a junior here at Oglethorpe University. This semester is unlike any other. Our lives look really different than they did last fall, but don't worry, we'll help each other through it. That's why I'm here today to help guide you through some of the basic features of Moodle so that you can get your page set up and ready to excel in your classes. Let's start by logging in. Go to moodle.oglethorpe.edu. The link can also be found at the bottom of the Oglethorpe website main page. Let's log in. Your login name is your account name, not your full email address, and your usual Oglethorpe password. If you are unable to log in using the Enter key, try again, and this time, click the on-screen button that says Log In instead. Once you log in, you'll be able to scroll down and view your classes and see other helpful tutorials for remote learning. First, let's go over how to customize your profile. You can access your profile from the user menu at the top right. It's where you see your name and a small blue triangle. Click there to open up the menu. Choose Profile. You will now see items such as your user details, a list of your courses, any forum and blog entries, and a link to edit your profile. To edit your name, avatar picture, preferred name, click on Edit Profile. The General tab section is expanded by default. This section allows you to update your name. First name, last name, and email address are compulsory fields. The User Picture section is optional and allows you to choose your own profile picture. Your current picture is shown, if one has already been loaded for you. If you like, you can load a new picture. The picture must be in JPEG or PNG format. The file names will usually end with .jpg or .png. To upload an image, drag and drop your selected image to the section under the big blue arrow, or click on the paper icon above the word Files and select Choose File. Select the file from your computer. There we go. Choose Open, then upload this file. The Additional Name section allows you to set the phonetic spelling of your name if you would like. When you are done, be sure to click the blue box for Update Profile at the bottom. Look at this sweet new profile picture. Now, an important part of Moodle is communication. Your Moodle settings can help you stay on track with what's happening in your classes. Trust me. So, let's set those up. Again, click on the little blue arrow by your avatar. Select Preferences. Your Moodle site can alert you when you have new messages from your teacher and other participants. You can receive alerts about new forum posts or graded assignments, and more. Scroll down to Message Preferences and click to open. In order to be able to receive messages from classmates and professors, make certain that your message privacy settings are set to my contacts, and anyone in my courses. Also, make sure that notification preferences are highlighted blue for email. Now go back to Preferences and choose Notification Preferences. Here, you can choose how to get specific notifications when you're logged into Moodle, when you're not, and also which to receive an email notification for. It is best to practice to get email alerts for the most important Moodle features. This will help you to make sure that you aren't missing assignments and activity in your classes. Most of these email alerts have already been turned on by default. Also, some of these options are locked, and others we don't really use at Oglethorpe, so just focus on the following ones: assignment, feedback, forum, open forum, Turnitin assignment 2, and then down at the bottom, inbound message configuration and event monitor. It's a good idea to have email turned on for all of these. If you also want web alerts that appear while on Moodle, click those on as well. Now we have your notifications all set. Let's take a look at a course and some of the common activities with it. Use the home button on the left side of the screen to get back to your name page, or click on the course on the left rail if it appears there. Active classes should appear there. I'll show you a class that was set up for online learning this summer. Your classes may look quite different. Each activity has a name and an icon to tell you what type of activity it is. Classes at Oglethorpe have a Welcome or General section at the top. Then your instructor may have set up the classes by topics or by weeks. I want to show you a feature that many classes will use this semester: forums. This forum, called Question Forum, is an open forum. Once you click on it, you can see the discussions already posted. And then simply click on Add a new discussion to add your response. To go back to the main page, you can click on the course title or the specific section you were just in. I also want to show you to another type of forum, the Q&A forum. In this type of forum, your instructor wants you to respond before you see how others answer the prompt. So, when you enter, click on the discussion title, here called Motivation. Read the prompt, then click Reply. Type your reply and then click Submit. Moodle gives you 30 minutes before displaying your response, in case you want to make edits. Then, you'll be able to see your response and that of your peers. Finally, for today, let's look at the Gradebook. Not all instructors post grades on Moodle, but if they do, you can view them here by clicking on the Grades tab on the left rail. Here, you will see the category, such as weekly quizzes, as well as specific grade items, and the point range you can earn for each item. Again, not all faculty uses this, and it may not be configured in the same way, but the basics will be the same. Now you have the basic tools to navigate the most common features on Moodle. Moodle is used by thousands of schools, so there are a ton of helpful videos all over the internet if you need assistance quickly. But, of course, our awesome IT department is also available at helpdesk.oglethorpe.edu. I hope you took something away from watching this video, and let's have an amazing semester. Go Petrels!